In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E84 quickly and easily. This is a common issue that can appear when launching Steam or when trying to start a game from your library. The good news is that in most cases, the fix is very simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow so you can get Steam working again without reinstalling anything. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any of the steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software and tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in and fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes the error appears because Steam processes are still running in the background. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Windows Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You may see steam.exe or multiple Steam processes running. Click on each Steam process and then click End Task to fully close them. This ensures that Steam is no longer running in the background. Once all Steam processes are closed, the next step is to restart Steam properly. Now locate the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Instead of launching it normally, right-click the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator permissions can fix several launch errors because it allows Steam to access the files and folders it needs without restrictions. After clicking Run as Administrator, Steam should open normally. Try logging in again and check if the error code E84 has disappeared. In many cases, simply restarting Steam and running it with administrator privileges is enough to resolve the issue. If you are seeing this error when launching a specific game from your Steam library, there is another quick fix you should try. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that is giving you the error. Right-click on the game title and select Properties. Inside the Properties window, click on the Local Files tab. Then click the option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will now scan the game files and check if anything is missing or corrupted. If it finds any problems, it will automatically re-download and repair those files. This process may take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it can fix many launch-related errors. Once the verification finishes, close the window and try launching the game again. In most cases, the error should now be resolved and the game should start normally. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam error code E84 quickly and safely. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.